What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on VVS Finance Token. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should you expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we hit the confluence level in between 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and it is the Fibonacci level from the very bottom to the very top, to this fifth wave. And I have to say that this range usually holds it in not more than 10% cases. But this trend line that I drew by connecting all the bottoms of the recent price movement had a much higher probability of holding the price above this line. But instead of this, we broke it. And I've told you that if we will break it, we might hit the range of 0.382, and it is a price point of around $0.301194. And we didn't quite hit it. We missed it by about 1.7%, not so huge miss, and we went higher. So I will continue with the forecast in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamentals news related to this token. And first of all, let's start with the total sentiment for entire crypto market. For now we are sitting at $2.42 trillion of total market cap, and it is a huge decrease of 6.54% over the last day. And as you can see, all the cryptocurrencies are in red. Bitcoin lost about 5.7% during the last 24 hours, Ethereum lost about 7.21%, and all major cryptocurrencies are in red, and we basically doesn't have any green tokens except the Polygon. And I did the video on Polygon just a couple of days ago, you can watch it, and we are holding the line that I marked in my forecast. So, and let's continue with the VVS Finance. For now, it has a total market cap of $122.2 million. It's down by 5.02%. And the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $26.55 million. And it's up by 11.58%. So, the movement to the downside has the volume that is slightly higher than we had previously. And it is not the best sign. But I have to say that we have very good signs from the technical standpoint, and I will show you them on my analysis. So let me show you the recent news that might be a driver for this token. And if you switch in the news tab folder, you don't have any news basically at all related to this token. They are related to the general crypto sentiment, and it is quite negative sign, because we don't have this news at all. On top of that, if you type in Google VVS Finance News and switch to News tab folder, you also won't see any latest news related to this company, and basically we won't see any news at all, and this is another bad sign. The only source of their latest news is their official Twitter, and for now they have about 32.8 thousand followers, and the number of followers is still growing up, and it is a good sign. And I have to say that they have decent news of their activity, and you can read it by yourself, and I want to pay your attention only on the total sentiment of the entire crypto industry. So let's continue with this price chart. It is a Bitcoin price chart, and as you can see, we have this massive sell-off with the huge volume, and the volume is much higher than we had previously for the multiple sessions, multiple days. And this is a quite bearish sign. This means we have to be extremely cautious with any other cryptos, because if Bitcoin will go south, everything will lose its value. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you what type of good sign I saw about this token. And if I switch to volume indicator, as you can see, from this point we have the green volume that is much higher than the red one, and this means we have more buying pressure, and from this point, when we started to go higher, we have increase in volume as well. And the most recent price action, let me show you, around this top, we have with the highest volume that we ever had during this movement to the upside. And it is also a very good sign. So, what should we expect next? In my opinion, we hit this double top pattern, and we broke it to the upside, but then rejected from the range of about $0.301449, and this might be the resistance range, and let me mark it for you like this. We have another resistance, potential resistance right here, and the first resistance was at the top of our third and fifth wave. And if we will have a bounce to the upside, and as you can see, this candle shows, let me show to you the volume. This candle shows the very good movement to the upside with the huge volume, and this means this might be the swing low for the entire movement, and this means from this point we might have an attempt to break this resistance. So guys, if we will break this resistance with the good conviction of volume, we will and then retest it from the top, and then we'll have a bounce to the upside, and again we will have a huge green volume that is higher than the red one. This will indicate that we might go higher, and this point where we have the breakout, then retest and then go higher, will be your accumulation point if you want to have more confirmation. But as usual, you have to be very cautious, because this asset doesn't have enough support from news from different social media sources. That's why we might have some hovering around these levels that we currently hit. And if we will go south, if we will break this previous bottom, this will indicate that we might again hit lower price points, and this might be your accumulation point only if you believe in this token and only if you believe in this project. Otherwise, it is just a short-term trades, and you have to be cautious with the executing of these trades, because it is a very volatile asset, and this means it implies high rewards with huge risks. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. We have to have more confirmation to break this resistance, and if we will have it, I will do another update and project some upcoming targets. So if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!